And Prime Minister Dr Keith Rowley says COVID-19 restrictions will continue for another month since Trinidad and Tobago has not seen any level of reduction regarding daily cases. He says there still continues to be people who believe that God will give TNT a pass, and adds that those who disregard the public health regulations will face the full brunt of the law. Sunil Lalla attended the media conference at the Diplomatic Center and filed this report.
The 28-day period for the rollback of measures has expired, but the Prime Minister says Trinidad and Tobago will now enter another similar period until October 11th. He says there will be a review of TNT's situation by September 28th. But Dr. Rowley is defending government's move to enter into the initial 28-day rollback, saying the situation could have been much worse.
And given where we're at, we could take some comfort that our situation has not worsened. Because had we not acted, it certainly would have worsened, and worsened to a considerable level.
Dr. Rowley says he hopes there will be firm and sustained law enforcement regarding the public health regulations, adding that the law applies to every person in this country. He also has a stern warning to people who are bent on partying during the current pandemic.
Persons who are partying and spreading this virus must feel the full brunt of the law in Trinidad and Tobago. It is not for me to tell the Commissioner of Police who to arrest and who not to arrest or how to apply the law. But as Prime Minister, I could tell the Commissioner of Police that the law must apply to protect us in Trinidad and Tobago from those who are not prepared to listen.
The Prime Minister, meanwhile, shut down any calls for lockdown at this time, saying the economy will eventually have to be reopened. He believes TNT needs to continue to live with the virus, adding that the country has already experienced significant losses.
It is our view that this virus has cost us, and this is not the money we've borrowed and spent to pay for the response. It is losses because the economy has not acted in the way it would normally have acted. We in Trinidad and Tobago, we probably would have lost about $10 billion from our economy because we were not able to do a normal day.
Dr. Rowley says although the stay-at-home measures remain in place for the public service, all persons who are required to work on the 2021 national budget are now considered essential and will have to physically attend work. Sunil Lalla, TTT News.